Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah, Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2021 Chrysler Voyager LXi. You can see with the key fob here, I can operate both power sliding doors. It's got a manual rear entry, trunk hatch, and a brand new conversion. I can operate this entire conversion using just two fingers. I pinch and I flip. It's got a handle on either side. Again, I pinch and I flip. These keep the ramps from rattling. They're a great design. And look here, I can take this to the ground using only my index finger. Tell our customers, if you can lift half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this 34-inch wide ramp with ease. It's 4 inches wider than the side entries, so they allow more room for bigger chairs. If someone parks next to you in a side entry van, you cannot get out of your vehicle. Not the case with the rear entry. The rear entry have more ground clearance, therefore can get over rougher terrain, and they're more affordable to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. A few of the reasons I prefer the rear entry over the side entry, but we do sell both, so if you want a side entry, talk to me. 800-pound weight capacity on the ramp, 56 inches of headroom coming inside the van, and 56 once you're inside the van. It does taper down to about 32 inches of width here at the base where the ramp sets. Got 8 tie-down points, so you can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or a gurney or a stretcher. And now these channels, they're about a foot deeper than what the Dodge and the Toyotas are. So if you want to haul 2 chairs at a time, or that gurney or stretcher, this might be the answer for you because it has about a foot more of length than the other two. It's got your spare tire back here. I'll get that in the pictures as well. Got your spare tire, your pump, everything back there. Got your cup holders for your passengers in the rear. Got your headliner. It's good condition. We can also put a third row seat in here that flips up and down. So if you want to flip it down, you could potentially haul 6 people plus a wheelchair in here. The second row of seats has about 21 inches of room in between them. If you want seats that flip up on their side, we call them the flip base seats. They'll flip up out of the way. We can also install those. My point is, tell us your measurements, tell us how many people you're hauling. Let us help customize this van to meet your needs. Got the brand new Q-Strength tie downs in it. Those are high dollar. We throw those in at no charge to you. Got all your instructions and warranty information there as well. Got a real nice center console. The dash is in great shape, no cracks or holes in the dash. Has steering wheel controls so you can keep your eyes on the road. The backup camera, dual climate control, rear air, plenty of plugs for all your electronics, and you can also shut all your power doors up here as well. So when you got everybody secure, come back out, reverse the process. Look here, one finger. Again, it's all it takes. Clamp it down, you're ready to roll. Now, our competition is going to tell you they have a better conversion than we do, and that's fine. That's what they get paid to say. Ask them what their warranty is. They're probably going to tell you 3 years, 36,000 miles on the warranty on the conversion. Well, our warranty is 3 years unlimited miles. So if theirs stops at 36,000 miles, ours goes to unlimited miles. You tell me who has the better built conversion. It's got the tinted windows, alloy wheels. It's got the roof rack in case you want to do any traveling. Very nice van, been very well taken care of. It's got the Yokohama tires on it. The front are about 10-30 seconds of tread, so basically new tires. The rear are about 8-30 seconds, so they're not far from being new. So very good tires on this van. Nice name brand Yokohama. Has a few small paint chips in it. We've put some touch-up paint on those just to try and protect that paint. Overall, though, very nice van. It's hard to find a dent or a scratch in it. Just a few small touch-ups, paint spots, but super clean, very well taken care of, just like all of our vans. And one thing we always do, we show you the VIN number. That way you know the vehicle's here in our possession. This is not some internet scam, so no matter who you buy from, if you're going to buy it off the internet, sight unseen, make sure you see this little strip right here. You know, these are made by Chrysler Dodge. You can't really duplicate these. Make sure you see that VIN number right there. That means the van's here in my possession. What we do with that VIN number, run a Carfax report on every one of our vehicles. You can see Carfax shows no damage or accidents. Just one owner, was used as a rental vehicle. Now, a lot of people say stay away from rental vehicles. I would agree. If it's a sports car, people probably took it out and hot rodded it. I don't think too many people say, honey, grab the kids. We're going to rent a Chrysler Voyager this weekend and take it out and race it. I think it means it's been highway miles. That's a good thing on a vehicle. Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a clean title with no accidents. Carfax shows airbags have never been deployed, odometer's accurate, no accidents or damage, and no open recalls. Now, no matter who you do business with, look them up online, check out the reviews and ratings. Look at us here on eBay, 1,349 transactions, Every single one of those transactions had the option to leave us positive or negative feedback. All 1,349 left us positive feedback. It's pretty solid right there. And no matter who you do business with, find them online. Make sure they are a real company. Find us on Google. You can see we're here in Wichita, Kansas. Look at our 4.8 out of 5-star reviews. You know, I hear people oftentimes complain about certain mobility dealers overcharging them by $10,000 for a van, selling them a van with frame damage, flood damage, title issues, you name it. I look up those dealers online. They've got 1 and 2 and 3-star reviews. I mean, they didn't do their due diligence. They didn't see who they were buying from. Even if you're buying from somebody with a 3.5 out of 5-star reviews, you're asking for trouble. That's a 70% approval rating. That's not very good when you're talking about this much money. Or they end up buying from someone on Craigslist or Facebook, a private individual they know nothing about. They end up getting scammed out of their life savings or end up buying a complete lemon. So if you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from a company that's been doing this for over a decade, give me a call. Okay, another great feature about this vehicle, when the doors are locked, you hit that remote start button twice. Fires right up, got your remote start. So if you want to come out to a nice air-conditioned van this time of year, or when it's winter time, you want to come out to defrosted windows in a nice heated up van, this provides you that option. It's got the power driver's seat, works good. Got the cream colored leather interior. And I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. And that is the nice thing about buying from the rental car companies. They do not allow smoking in their vehicles. It's a huge fine. So you're buying a non-smoker's vehicle. And if you want to use this van for non-emergency medical transport, hit that button right there. If you're going to be in and out of these doors a lot, they become manual sliding doors. Can be operated quickly without risking damaging the motors or anything like that. Back here in the rear seats, very clean. Super clean interior on this van. It's been very well taken care of. And you can see the back area here. I know a lot of you have never seen inside a mobility van. Got your rear air controls over there. And I like about this is the push button start. So if the key is in your pocket or even in your purse, put your foot on the brake, push start there. The van officially fires up. You can see 60,343 miles on it. Got the backup camera. That's a great safety feature to have. And no matter who, or I'm sorry, we have 3 mechanics. Got ahead of myself. We got 3 mechanics that do all our inspections on these vans. We check the power mirrors, power windows, power locks, the heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, steering. I'm showing you everything works here. I check fluids as necessary. We do not just throw these vans on the lot. We go through a very thorough inspection, and then we put them on the lot. So I hope you can tell by my videos, we are very thorough in everything we do. Underneath the hood is a 3.6 V6 engine, idles smoothly, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks, and it purrs like a kitten. As I crawl underneath the van, much of the same. Very clean, no signs of any bent metal from an accident, no signs of any fluid leaks or anything like that, no signs of any rust from being up north in the Rust Belt or being in a flood. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy a used vehicle. They assume things. They assume just because it's 2021, they assume because it looks good in pictures, they assume it runs and drives good. They assume it hasn't been in a bad accident. They assume it's got a clean title. Don't do that. Do not assume things. Go check out my competition. That's right, I am sending you to the competition's website. Do they show you the reputation online so you know you're buying from a reputable dealer? Do they show you a Carfax report so you know you're buying a vehicle that has not been in a bad accident, that's got a clean title? Do they get down on their hands and knees like I am right now and show you the undercarriage of the vehicle? Do they even bother taking pictures, much less a video? So you know what happens if you end up buying a vehicle with frame issues, whether it be frame damage or really bad rust from a flood or being up north? It may not pass inspection in your state. If it won't pass inspection in your state, you can't drive it. You just bought a vehicle you can't drive. So don't risk that. Demand a detailed video like this. Tell them to get off their backside, get out and make you a real nice video if you're going to buy sight unseen. Demand a Carfax report, not some cheap knockoff. The Carfax one shows the most information. Demand a Carfax report. A little bit of touch-up paint right there. Get online, find out who you're buying from, check out their ratings, check out the reviews, make sure you're buying from a reputable company. And lastly, demand that warranty. Our van comes with not only the conversion warranty, 3 years unlimited miles, but we also offer a 90-day, 3,000-mile drivetrain plus warranty, good at any shop in the country. We stand behind our product, that's why we offer that warranty. Do not risk buying as is, demand that warranty. So let's get the van out for a test drive so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video, I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know, whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this Voyager home, we've done our due diligence, we've made sure it's roadworthy, pops up to 70 miles an hour, no problems, steering wheel's nice and straight, no unusual vibrations or noise, got the cruise control set, cruise works good, runs and drives like a brand new van. Also keep in mind, we do offer that 90-day Power Drivetrain Plus warranty at no additional charge to you. We do have long-term warranties that are like bumper-to-bumper type. Those go anywhere out from 90 days all the way up to 8 years and everywhere in between. So talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. Also, keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers have a real nice price online. What they have hidden in the fine print is a $500 administrative fee. They got dock fees, they have tag fees. And oh yeah, they don't have free shipping like we do. So next thing you know, once you add up all those hidden fees, once you add up the shipping, that real nice price you saw online jumps $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So, and the goal is they want you to call in, they want you to talk to a used car salesman, they want you to see that nice price, then the car salesman goes to work on you. So if you want to avoid all that hassle, if you want me to take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you, give me a call. That's exactly what I'll do. And my question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money out of you, or to try to get you to make that phone call, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it mechanical issues? You know, I don't know. I just know in life, people that aren't being transparent from the very start, from the get-go, that aren't upfront and 100% honest, there's usually a really good chance there's something else they're not being real honest about. So keep that in mind when you're out shopping. I'm going to give the van a nice hard brake. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So once again, exactly what we're looking for. And if you'd like to give us a phone call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. Now, if texting is easier for you, or you just feel more comfortable texting, here's my cell phone. 316-518-4377. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. You now have my cell phone number. Now, I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you the owner's cell phone number. Or do you get to call on and talk to an automated system, or one of those super aggressive used car salesmen who are going to call you 5 times a day to see if you're ready to make a deal? So if you want to avoid all that mess, if you're sick of being treated like just a number, or if you want absolutely zero pressure sales, give me a call, because I promise you I'm going to sell this Voyager whether you buy it or not. No pressure sales here. Let me get you taken care of start to finish. Yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address. If computers aren't your thing, pick up the phone, give me a call. We're happy to take an application over the phone. And yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicle. Call me. I can explain how that works. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this of every vehicle, free Carfax reports, and dozens of pictures so you know exactly what you're getting, no surprises, check out the most thorough mobility dealership in the country, Affordable Mobility Solutions, at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.